Let's embark on a cosmic journey as we delve into the awe-inspiring tale of SATRIA, the Indonesian communications satellite launched by SpaceX. Get ready to be enchanted as we transport you into a world where dreams meet technology and connectivity knows no bounds. It was a momentous day, not just for families celebrating Father's Day, but also for space enthusiasts and the people of Indonesia. Little did they know that a story of hope and progress was about to unfold in the vast expanse of the cosmos. At 6:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a magnificent Falcon 9 rocket ignited its engines, ready to carry SATRIA, a European-built communications satellite, on a transformative journey from Space Launch Complex 40 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. The stage was set for an interstellar spectacular. SpaceX, known for its commitment to innovation and sustainability, had a daring plan as the Falcon 9 soared into the heavens. Its booster stage, the first phase of the rocket, bid farewell to the upper stage, gratefully descending toward SpaceX drone ship, a shortfall of gravitas awaiting its triumphant return in the Atlantic Ocean. Meanwhile, high above Earth, SATRIA embarked on a cosmic ballot on its own. Guided by electric thrusters, it embarked on a months-long odyssey, weaving through the depths of space to find its rightful place in geostationary orbit. There, at 146 degrees east longitude, it would become a beacon of connectivity with its velocity perfectly synchronized with Earth's rotation. Oh, the wonders that awaited SATRIA equipped with advanced technology. This celestial storyteller would empower rural communities across the Indonesian archipelago. Remote hospitals would gain access to life-saving information, while schools would flourish with digital knowledge, nurturing the minds of future generations, and government buildings scattered across the vast landscape would thrive in an interconnected ecosystem, fostering collaboration and progress. As we gaze at the night sky, we are reminded that SATRIA's legacy endures, a testament to humanity, indomitable spirit, and our limitless potential to reach for the stars. Its tale reminds us that dreams, when paired with innovation, have the power to reshape lives and transcend the boundaries of geography.